Welcome to Device Doctor. Today, we're reviewing the Epson WorkForce WF-7720, a great all-in-one wide-format printer that's perfect for both home and office use.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
First, let's talk about the overall performance of this printer. The WF-7720 offers high-quality prints with fast speeds and impressive versatility. Whether you're printing documents, photos, or large designs, it gets the job done with ease. Now, let's dive into the key features. Print quality. You get borderless prints up to 13 by 19 inch, ideal for printing big layouts and designs. The printer uses PrecisionCore technology for sharp, clear prints every time. Paper handling. The printer comes with two 250-sheet trays for standard paper and a rear feed for specialty paper. This means you can handle large print jobs without constantly refilling paper. Ink. It uses DuraBrite Ultra ink, which is smudge-resistant, fade-resistant, and water-resistant, so your prints last longer and look great. Connectivity. For easy printing, the WF-7720 supports Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and NFC, making it simple to print from your smartphone, tablet, or computer. It even has Wi-Fi Direct, so you don't need a router. Other features. This printer also has automatic two-sided printing, saving you paper. It also has a 35-page auto document feeder, which makes scanning and copying quicker and easier. Plus, the 4.3-inch color touchscreen allows you to easily navigate the printer's settings. Overall, the Epson WorkForce WF-7720 is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a reliable, fast, and versatile printer that can handle both small and large printing tasks. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Device Doctor for more reviews. See you next time.